Bye. Morning. It's December 21st and it's days before Christmas, and yeah, I'm on my way to work. Good thing we're on a casual day. And let me tell you a story. I always wanted to have a 1DX Mark II because it's one of my dream cameras. It's one of the best cameras Canon have right now. And you know, guess what? This guy's been texting me since last week. He wants to swap his 1DX with my 6D Mark II. I thought it was a scam, and I can't afford it because he wants extra cash for it. Well, this week he's been texting me, and he said he wants to get my camera, and is there anything I can add to it? So I told him I have a new 70-200, which I like but I don't use a lot. So he said, can we swap? I was pretty scared and I'm not sure if it's a scam or not. We were thinking that as soon as he sees me, he's gonna rob me. Well, I went to the place. The guy's a pretty good fella. He said he doesn't need a heavy camera. So what happened was, I'm vlogging right now on my 1DX Mark II. Yeah, dreams do come true. Anyway, gonna run for a train now. Yeah. Apparently, the camera feels good in the hand, and with the Jovi, it has a good balance on it. No wonder Peter likes this camera. I like it. Anyway, the train's coming. DX Mark II as my vlogging camera. Problem is I'm using the Sigma 2435, which is a very massive, heavy lens. I'm using two of my arms to hold it. It's so heavy, oh my goodness. It's an f2 lens. Yeah, it's too heavy. Anyway, it's heavy. So yeah, just came from work, and today nothing really supersonic for the vlog. We just had a morning tea, Christmas morning tea for the team, and Ethel's retirement party. And other than that, yeah, something bad happened in Flinders Street. Like there was this car, this SUV that was ramming into people around 16. I don't know, no final news yet, but yeah. This is so heavy, I can't think. I need to go into the house now.